Josie partially filled a graduated cylinder with water. She then dropped the rock into the water. The illustration below shows what happened to the level of the water inside the graduated cylinder. Which property of matter is Josie measuring? A. Mass, B. Length, C. Weight, D. Volume. Aluminum, sulfur, and chlorine are elements found on the periodic table. Tests involving these three elements will show that at a normal room temperature, A. Sulfur is malleable and aluminum conducts electricity. B. Chlorine is malleable and conducts electricity. C. Aluminum is malleable and conducts electricity. Or D. All three elements are malleable and conduct electricity. The illustration below shows a rectangular solid. What is the volume of the solid? A. 21 centimeters cubed, B. 30 centimeters cubed, C. 60 centimeters cubed, or D. 300 centimeters cubed. Leah used a triple B balance to measure the mass of a beaker of water. Which value for mass should she record in her science notebook? A. 4 grams, B. 250 grams, C. 254 grams, or D. 254.5 grams. Which physical properties are associated with most metals? A. Dual, good insulator, brittle, B. Shiny, good conductors, malleable, C. Dual, good conductor, malleable, or D. Shiny, good insulator, malleable. Alyssa placed a small seashell on the pan of a balance. What other tool does she need to determine the density of the seashell? A. Scale, B. Calculator, C. Thermometer, or D. Graduated cylinder. For an investigation, a student records data about 4 unknown substances. The student then calculates the densities of the unknown substances and compares them with the table of densities of known substances shown below. Which unknown substance is more likely carbon? A. Substance 1, B. Substance 2, C. Substance 3, or D. Substance 4. Which of these choices is a physical property that does not change when the size of the sample changes? A. Mass, B. Volume, C. Density, or D. Flammability. Some students conducted a laboratory investigation to learn more about the physical properties of different elements. They observed 4 samples and recorded the observation in the table below. Based on these observations, which sample is most likely a nonmetal? A. Sample 1, B. Sample 2, C. Sample 3, or D. Sample 4. A balance and a graduated cylinder are used to determine the density of a mineral sample. The sample has a mass of 14.7 grams and a volume of 2.2 centimeters cubed. What is the density of the mineral sample? A. 0.15 grams centimeters cubed, B. 32 grams centimeters cubed, C. 13 grams centimeters cubed, or D. 6.7 grams centimeters cubed. How can you determine that a coin is not pure silver if you know the mass and volume of the coin? View science vocabulary. How many different elements are represented in the compound sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, NaHCO3?